Good evening, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. It is a big day here at Walt Disney World because Magic Kingdom's nighttime fireworks show, Happily Ever After, returns tonight. Now, Happily Ever After has been closed since last March of 2020 due to the pandemic when the parks closed down. I do want to say a massive thank you to Disney for having us out. They will be pretty much providing everything you guys see in today's video, like a special viewing area to watch Happily Ever After, and we have a dessert party, which I am really looking forward to. We got very lucky with a walk-up reservation to go eat dinner at Chef Mickey's over at the Contemporary. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. And here we are at Chef Mickey's for dinner. We got very lucky and we found a walk-up reservation. Look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's raining sideways. I mean, it's coming down very hard right now, but this should blow over closer to firework time, so fingers crossed. Also, there's a ton of construction happening inside of the Contemporary at the moment because Disney is transforming these rooms into Incredibles themed rooms. I'm very excited. Disney has confirmed it and released some photos, and so far, the rooms look really great. I can't wait to stay in one, hopefully one day soon. To start with, we have some bread with everything bagel seasoning on there. We also have 3 different types of salads. We have a vegan option, we have a shrimp citrus salad, and a classic Caesar. There's Chef Mickey saying hello to everybody. This is still a character dining experience, but the characters do have to stay socially distant. My man Mickey Mouse, look at him. Oh yeah. Are you ready for the 50th? Yeah, it's coming. The fireworks return tonight. That's what I'm here for. These dinner rolls may be the best dinner rolls I've ever had at a Disney restaurant. They're so good. And there's Pluto saying hello to everybody. We just missed Minnie Mouse because we were too busy eating these delicious salads and breads. We have a lot of different options for this dinner. We have your pot roast, turkey with gravy, carrots, cheddar potatoes, mushroom gnocchi. We have a plant-based fried rice and salmon. Looks really good. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, okay. Ooh. Ooh. I see you, Donald. Looking good for the camera. Look who it is. My hero, Goofy. All the love. It's good seeing you, brother. You take care, all right? They are now doing the big celebration dance. Look at Mickey go. Check out the weather. The rain is not looking good right now. It has a 60% chance at 9 p.m. Looking at the radar now, it's not looking too good at all. It's time for our first dessert of the night. I say that because we do have a dessert party later on this evening. Look at this. Lots of good options, and of course we got some coffee to hold us over because it's going to be a long, wet night. We just finished up with our dinner and our server brought us out this character card with their autographs on there. Pretty cool. Also, it is a very sad day because this is the last day I can use my Tables in Wonderland card before it officially expires. This was set to expire last March, but then Disney extended it 4 months, but yeah, the last time I can use my tables is today. Disney, please bring it back. Well, dinner at Chef Mickey's was pretty good. I enjoyed myself. The service was great. The characters were amazing. It was so good getting to see Mickey and Goofy and the gang before heading over to Magic Kingdom to see Happily Ever After return. I do think the highlight for me was just getting pretty lucky with a walk-up reservation to Chef Mickey's because that never really happens because it's so challenging to find Chef Mickey's reservations sometimes. But I think now we're going to start making our way over to the Magic Kingdom because the weather has kind of calmed down right now. So we're going to use this time to walk over and at least get inside the park. All right, we have now made it inside of the Magic Kingdom finally. And there she is, Cinderella Castle, looking beautiful as always. I will say, not a lot of people are leaving with the rain. Lots of umbrellas and ponchos the closer you get to the castle. Look at these really cool media badges that were just given out to us. Happily Ever After at Magic Kingdom Park, July 1st, 2021 Media Night. These are really cool. We made it to the dessert party here in Tomorrowland Terrace, and here's a quick look at some of the treats they have. These look really good. Mickey macarons, Firework at the Castle brownie bites, Happily Ever After chocolate covered strawberries and churros. Oh my goodness. On the way out, they told us to grab one of these Happily Ever After cupcakes. We have now made it to our special firework viewing area. This place is packed. It feels like old times again. Okay, we have our spot to watch Happily Ever After.
Is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within. Ready to begin. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat. Faster. Your joy. Happily ever after. There's magic in the air tonight.
That's what friends are for. Mr. Aladdin's have a wish or two or three.
Some people are worth melting for. It's like the fog is lifted, and it's warm and real and bright.
So our journey comes to an end. But yours continues on. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Jewelry. Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic Kingdom as you continue your journey toward your happily ever after.
Guys, wow. Happily Ever After has returned. It's a little sad though because we did not get Tinkerbell, only because of the weather, but still. Happily Ever After is back and it feels good. And check out the crowds right now. Everybody's leaving because of the rain. I do want to ride a ride or two before we leave. I know it's rainy, but a lot of people just left the park, so maybe we'll get lucky with some rides. But Magic Kingdom is open until 11 p.m. tonight. This is a sight I have not seen in some time. It is a Fast Pass kiosk where you could come up and scan your Magic Band and make Fast Passes for you and your party. These are still covered, but these are not. Is this a sign? They're not turned on, but that's awesome. We're getting close. And away we go. There's Living Behind the Castle. Hey guys! There's Tron. Wait a second. The crane is gone on Tron. So something did change. We're making progress. Next up, we hopped in line to do Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Let's see if I still have what it takes to be a galactic hero. I did not have what it takes to be a galactic hero today. Womp, womp, womp. The current standby wait for Big Thunder is a 20-minute wait. We're gonna hop in line. I think it may be closer to 10 minutes though. No more plexiglass in this queue line. Only waited about 8 minutes and here we are. This coaster is so awesome to ride at nighttime. Look at that shot. There's the goat. That was such a fun ride. Oh my goodness. That was worth the 10-minute wait in the rain. The current time is 10:58. The park closes in 2 minutes, so we have enough time to ride Splash Mountain. That was a straight walk on.
He's looking for a little more adventure, but he's heading for
Look yonder. There goes Brer Rabbit. Being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear. There goes Brer Rabbit. Being chased by Brer Fox.
Let me loose, Brer Fox. Let me go. We'll show you a laughing place.
Walking through Liberty Square on the way out, look how empty it is. Looks like everybody has left. The park has been closed now for about 15 minutes. Look at this shot of Cinderella Castle reflecting off the water. What a fun night this has been. Disney has also added back the Happily Ever After signs throughout the park. Look at this really cool prop you can use for PhotoPass to take pictures with. Oh my goodness. Some more good news that I'm sure most of you know about already. Casey's has reopened. It reopened yesterday. We were going to eat here today, but we just kind of ran out of time and got to the park much later than expected. But stay tuned because we will be back to eat inside of Casey's once again. But wait, the news gets better. The ice cream parlor will once again reopen on July 7th. Everything's reopening slowly but surely. We still have no update regarding the Main Street Barbershop reopening because I would like to get a haircut here when it does reopen, but they're still closed. It is currently 11:40 in the evening. The park has been closed now for 40 minutes, so I think it's time to leave. All right, my friends, that's gonna do it for today's video. Oh my goodness, today was so much fun, even with the rain. Happily Ever After is back. Disney's getting back to normal. Such a great day. Disney, thank you again so much for having us back out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me.